It's so essential to stay curious and keep learning. That's why I actually created Leadership in Manufacturing podcast. It's a bi-weekly show where we explore essential leadership topics in the electronics industry. And who am I? I'm your host. I'm Sanna Winding. I'm a strategic leader with over 20 years of experience in B2B marketing, product development, and also team empowerment. I'm passionate about sharing insights and tools to help professionals enhance their leadership skills. And in each episode, we discuss relevant topics for leaders like you, offering practical strategies and valuable insights to help you excel in your role. And I interview professionals within the manufacturing industry, the distribution sector, and also manufacturing reps. So make sure to follow us, like and subscribe. Come on. Please find us on your favorite podcast platform, or make sure to check out our YouTube channel, or just check out our website, which is called leadershipinmanufacturing.com.